detect the bullshit in the aftertaste.
That's delightful color. Delicious and twice as rare. Exquisite.
That's curious.
Am I needed? You could at least try to hide the dinner accounts.
What's wrong with you now?
Sean and it.
Might be as strong as a bugbear.
That's what they tell me.
Let's see what we have here.
You've been caught lurking around the Sword Coast's most secure bank without permission. The guards are understandably upset. You are permitted to pass with your legs intact. This time.
Ogres don't come into banks though, so I don't need to worry.
A long way to go still. I'll go this way.
By my oath.
The pride of the gate.
Got to press on.
You've been caught lurking around the Sword Coast's most secure bank without permission. The guards are understandably upset. The Fellowship of Financiers appreciates your consideration, but a stain is exactly what you are about to become.